So today I'm looking at this LED. This is a surface mount Luxeon lime green LED, and it's rated at 350 milliamps. And the maximum it's rated at is 184 milliwatts output, and the minimum is 140 milliwatts. And the spectrum is between 566 and 569 nanometers. And so you can see right now I've got the current running through my DC milliamp meter here, and I'm displaying the voltage, and might be dropping a little bit of voltage in the line, but not so much. And so I'm just going to ramp up the voltage until I get to the maximum. Already it's very bright. It's only consuming 7.8 milliamps of current at 2.6 volts. And this thing's pretty bright. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to look at it all the way up to 350. I may have to divert my eye from that. But anyway, here goes. I'm going to go ahead and ramp up slowly. And then the idea is if I can get it up to 350, I'm going to shave the lens and then test it again and see if it changes anything, because we're going to be using it with the lens shaved. So you can see I'm slightly raising the drive voltage. I don't want to jump it too quickly. So I'm going to stop when I get to 350. My meter is only rated for 400 milliamps in this setting, so I don't want to burn the meter up.
Yep.
There we go, just shifted to a different range. So right now, I'll park it there for a minute. It's 2.9 volts, 100 milliamps, and that thing is very bright. So I'm going to continue on up. And I may hit current limiting at some point, I'm not sure. Sort of hope I do. When I get to 350, I will adjust the current limit down, because we'll be using it in another experiment. So there's 200 milliamps and 3.2 volts. $300 milliamps. That thing is super bright. Going to take it up to 350. I'm also going to check the heat, see how it's warming up. So there we are at 350. That's the rated. I'm going to see if I can adjust the current limiting. There, we've hit it there. I'll go back up. I want to set that to just right at the max. That's pretty good. Very, very bright LED. And now I'm going to turn it off, just unplugging it here. So 3.6 volts, 346 milliamps. Man, it's bright. And it's not really very warm. Just barely can tell that it's warm. So now I've got a Thor Labs optical power meter here. It's set for 500 milliwatts max. I'm going to see if I can measure the light. There's the sensor right there. I'll hold it right in front of it, and I've left the settings alone. Because I may want to turn the power meter on. And so the most I'm reading is about 180. Oh, there we go. Peaks out about 220. And then so the next thing I'm going to do is shave the lens and measure it again. All right, I've shaved the lens off. I'm going to measure the light again. Getting a little slightly less, but there it is, about the same.